Okay, station 8 was all about taking an EKG. And for an EKG, we need 3 electrodes. You can see one is on my wrist here, and I have 2 on the inside of my elbows. And they'll be positioned Okay, so here you can see we have electrode here on my inside of my elbows and on my wrist. And when we take an EKG, we use log a light and we get a picture that looks like this. And if you can see over here, you can see it's in millivolts, and this is showing the electricity that's coming from our heart. We should have fairly evenly spaced peaks here that shows that our heart is producing electricity at a constant rate. So why do we produce electricity? If we go here, the electricity starts up here in the atrium. It sends a little electric current. The electric current makes the muscles contract, which means the muscles squeeze the blood out. The electric current then moves down to the 2 ventricles, and they then, slightly later on, the 2 ventricles contract because of the electricity and squeeze the blood out of the ventricles. Now, if you don't have a nice spacing between these peaks, that means your heart is not producing electricity at a constant rate, and you might have something called arrhythmia. And if you do, they might give you an artificial source of electricity, which is called a pacemaker.